Let's talk about the residential property disclosure. If you've never sold a home before, you may not know that by law, the state of Ohio requires that you fill out a 5-page form to legally sell any residential property. Hi, I'm Mary Schoitze with Caswell Real Estate. Let's dig in. The Ohio Residential Property Disclosure, or RPD, isn't as scary as it sounds. It's a 5-page form that has various questions about the condition or any known issues for several categories, like water and sewer, the roof, water intrusion, structural issues, termite, mechanical systems, and hazardous materials like asbestos or lead paint. You are required to fill this form out to the best of your knowledge for anything you know that has occurred in the last 5 years. Here's the thing. If something is wrong or was covered up, and it could be proven that you knew about it and did not disclose it, you could be liable. If the roof caves in, and it can be proven you knew about that possibility, or even tried to fix it yourself, the new buyer years down the road could take you to court, and you don't want that. This isn't meant to scare you, rather to say that it is totally worth it to be honest. So take the time to fill the form out correctly. We're always here to answer questions or to guide you through the process. Get in touch today and we'll help you every step of the way. I'm Mary Schoitze with Caswell Real Estate, helping you home.